Hey, this is Matt with 88 HVAC. I'm going to be showing you the second part of getting power to your nest on a radiant heating system. So on my left hand side we have a standard zone board. This one is made by Honeywell. Pretty much they're all similar. These zone control boards have slots for your thermostats and have slots for your actuators. So what happens is when a zone, let's say zone 1 calls from your thermostat, it will send through relay 24 volts to power up your actuators, as you can see on your bottom left side. So typically these boards, it doesn't matter if it's a Honeywell or a Takeo or whatever brand you decide to use, but they typically have schematics to show you where to pull power from. And as you know, the nest needs a common to help it become parasitic, so it could take power off of it. So as you saw upstairs, we used a red, a white, and a blue. We're using the red as power, the white, or W, as we call for heat, and then the blue we're using it as the common. What you're going to probably need here is, if you're not sure, and this is always really good to have because it's better to check, and if you do short something out on those boards and you don't have a fuse on it, you could be smoking a relay, which could cost you a new entire board. This is my favorite in-field meter. It's a FLUKE T5600, very bulletproof, multi-purpose multimeter. It'd be great to have around your house. You can get one of these FLUKEs for around 80 to 100 bucks from Sears or online, or from your local supply store, HVAC or electrical. Lowe's might carry it. I don't see Home Depot carrying this thing, but this is a very, very easy tool to use. Automatic on and off. I mean, you have off, but if you leave it on, it turns off for you. You have ohm meter, a toner, voltage in AC and DC, and an amp reader up on top, and then you have slots that hold your testing prongs. Okay, so I know I have power going to this unit because it's all lit up, but to tell where your power needs to come from, or how much power you're sending your nest, you should put one end of your lead of your meter to the common, and then the other side to the red side of the terminal of the board of where your nest is landing. So I landed my red wire to the R terminal on my board, and I'm touching it with one of my probes, and my other side of my probe is on the common, and as I can see, I'm reading 26 volts being sent to my nest. And if I take off my lead, the red side, to my thermostat, I have 0, and I'm going to retest it again, go into my nest, and I have 26 volts. And then right now nothing's calling, and on my W side I have 0. And then across my transformer side, my power side of the transformer, I'm still on the common. It's lit and it's showing me 26 volts. So I'm good. I'm 26 volts all the way across everything. And in a few minutes we'll go back up to the nest thermostat and see what we're getting up there.